What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caela, and today we're going to sign Valentine's Day, signs, anything and everything. So the first one is Valentine's Day. So you can do, there's multiple ways you can do it. I kind of do all of them. It just depends who I'm talking to. You can draw a heart over your heart, and then the sign for day is this. So you make a D and day, Valentine's Day. And then happy is middle fingers. You go happy and then Valentine's Day. I've also seen people go like this and they move their fingers. So Valentine's Day. Kind of just depends. I love sign language because it's an ever evolving language. So wherever you are from, you might do it differently. Then love. So I love you. Love. And then I love you. Also, if you don't have a significant other, I still love this day because you have parents, friends, anyone that you still love. So you can say happy Valentine's Day to your friend. So happy Valentine's Day, friend. I love you. I love you. Just anything. So go out, celebrate Valentine's Day. Tell the people that you love them, and you're lucky to have them in your life. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.